Hello there, today we will design this iOS or Android app in Adobe Illustrator. I will show you complete process how you can design similar app in Adobe Illustrator. This tutorial is for the beginners. I will show you step-by-step process how you can create similar apps. Once this app is complete, I will upload this to my website hamiddesigner.com. You will be able to download and use it for your personal and commercial projects. Please watch the complete video till the end and do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started. First, I will create new document. I will set the size 428 by 926. This is iPhone 12 Pro Max screen size. Color mode will be RGB and I will create it. First of all, I will create the color swatches. I will draw one rectangle here and I will set this stroke to none. I will click on this cross icon and once again I will click on this fill and this will come to this front position. Okay, now I will double click on this one and I will type the color code here 7D10E3. Now I will select this one and press Alt and drag it down. For this one I will set the color to 3 CAEE8. Okay, now I will create other color swatches and I will now fast forward my video and get back once I am done. Now our color swatches are ready, so I will now start designing. Now I will draw polygon here. Like this. Okay, now I will rotate this one. I will press the shift key and I will drag it to 270 like this. Now I will set the width to 90 by 310 like this. Now I will choose this drag selection tool and I will set the corners to 50. Alright, like this. Okay, now I will center align this one with the artboard and now I will apply gradient. I will use this gradient tool and click on this one, click on this handle, select this color picker, press the shift key and click on this color swatch. Now this handle I will choose this color like this. Okay, now I will choose this gradient tool and I will rotate this gradient to this position. Okay, like this. Now I will duplicate this one by pressing Alt and dragging it to the right. Okay, now I will select this eyedropper tool and I will use this color and I will move this to this position. Okay, I will move it down. Once again I will duplicate this one by Alt pressing Alt and dragging it to this button position, okay, and release the mouse button. Okay, now I will duplicate one more time. Now I will drag one image here. I have downloaded this image from Shutterstock. I will mention the link in the description. So I will resize this one. I will select these two shape and this image, and I will move my shape above this image, and I will once again I will select these two elements, and now I will drop. Now I will right click on it and make clipping mask like this. Okay. Now once again I will move this, align it with this gradient shape, and now I will move this behind this gradient shape. I will set this opacity to 80%. Okay. Now I will choose this ellipse tool, and I will click once and I will type 80, and now I will move it here, color dropper, and fill this with white. Okay. Now I will draw a round rectangle, and I will choose the size 46 by 6, round corner 6, like this. And now I will apply this gradient to this shape. Okay, move it like this, duplicate this one, and arrange this like this. Okay, duplicate one more time and reduce the size. Okay, now I will add text here. I'll choose this type tool, and I will now set. Now I will choose this font family, Roboto, and I will set the size to 30 pixels, and I will type. I will select all this text, and I will choose this color, and I will make this easily bold, medium, like this. Now I will align it center. Now I will choose this round rectangle tool, click once, and I will add the width. I will type 300 by 64 and corner radius 200 pixels, like this. This duplicate this text layer and type Facebook, and I will set the size of this text to 20 points and medium. Now font colors to white, and I will set and bring to front. Okay, like this. Now I will apply the gradient to this button here. I'll choose this. And now I will choose this point and I will choose this blue color. Align to the stage. Now once again I will select these two elements and duplicate these two, and now I will change the color to this Insta color. I know this Instagram and Facebook are same thing, but for this per video I am using Instagram as a separate entity, and now like this. Now I will add icons here, Facebook and Instagram icon. I have already downloaded this SVG icons from flaticon.com. I will mention the link in the description. I will copy this and paste it. I will resize it. And now I will use this color picker and set the color to white. Okay. Now I will group these two by Control G. Now I will align it with this button. So I will move it below like this. Okay. For this Facebook, I will copy and paste it, resize, change the color to white. I'll group these two by pressing shift. I will click on this shape layer and click one more time. Now I will align it with this. Double click on this one and move it like this. Okay. Here I will add some text. I'll choose this gray color and set this regular and 16 pixels. I select all the text and I will center align this one. And now I will align this with the artboard like this. Okay. Now I will draw one line here. 1 pixel, and I will double click on this border colors and I will choose this light gray colors. Move it up and here. I will use email and I will set the size to 22 pixels, and I'll choose this pink color and I will set align this the artboard. One last step, I will insert for a rectangle here. I will choose the same 428 by, I will choose the same size of this artboard, 428 by 926. Press OK. Align this with the stage or artboard. Now I will use these three shapes, and now I will make this clipping mask. And now our design is ready. Here is the final design. Let me know in the comments how you find this tutorial, and do share it with your friends and colleagues, and do subscribe my channel and watch other videos on the channel, and let me know if you need any help. I will try my best to answer your questions and queries. Thank you very much for your time and have a great day.